Everybody all buckled in the back?
You ready?
Sure.
Smells like burnt rubber.
It is. Even with it being wet out there, it's like black ice out there right now.
So how many horsepower we got here?
717.
717.
So everything we have out here are Hellcats 717 or a Hellcat Red Eye, which is 797. Because you can never have enough horsepower.
That's right.
Bolts in.
Here we go.
Done this a couple times.
Just take my money, it'll be worth it.
Good job. You've done this a couple times, ain't you?
Once or twice.
So do they pay you, or you just do this for fun?
They wouldn't have to pay me.
Believe it or not, this is my full-time job. I go all over the country.
Really? You've got it figured out.
Well, they tell me I do.
You might have done it once or twice, but I was going to say you couldn't drive with the shit.
Oh, pretty good job.
Put some groceries.
Everybody's got to have room for improvement.
That's right.
We'll work on that, would you?
Thank
you, guys.
Yep.
Appreciate it. How was it?
Good.
Got a quick little exit survey for you guys.
Okay. I know boy's done that a couple times.
Smiles from here on out.